Since we started using Rilla, our average ticket and our average sale price has increased tremendously. By adjusting the leads that we get in different tiers, our average ticket has increased from 17K to 27K.
Florida Window & Door provides replacement windows for the state of Florida. Prior to Rilla, I would say that it was like the Wild West. I'm sure our guys did everything as we said they would do when a manager would ride with them. I have no doubt that they were not doing it when the manager wasn't riding with them. Rilla gives us a way to judge our salesmen on how they're following our process and make sure that they are improving in that process to be successful. Rilla is an add-on to a ride-along to enhance the training experience.
It's a great view into a time that I can't be with my team. I can get percentages and time spent. I can hold my team accountable to sending out the scorecards.
We love the idea of Rilla, but for privacy compliant laws in Florida, we wanted to make sure that we were on the up and up. So we had help from the Rilla team. We verified it with legal, made the adjustments, and we've had no problems. It was actually one of the easiest tools that we've ever implemented from both a software and a change management standpoint.
I think the underlying reason to implement Rilla is the added benefit and cost savings of the ability to recruit less, because now your sales staff is more stable, making more money, and therefore you don't have to continually hold training classes. Instead, you're focusing on the reps because you have greater retention. Strongly recommend Rilla. If you're going to go 100% and listen to it and analyze it, yes, I strongly encourage you to use Rilla. It's a game changer in our industry, in my mind.